Hi there, it's Manal from Minis Craft Boutique. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy photo frame wall hanging. Well, this is a modification of a simple photo frame, and if you wish you can change it into a wall hanging, or you can use it as a photo frame. So this is one of the panels that I have already created, and I'm going to show you one more. And this is the very basic frame or layout for the photo, and you can change it according to your choice. You can add or decrease the number, and if you wish to make it a photo frame, just add a stand, which I think I have a tutorial planned for you on how to make a photo frame, a standing photo frame. So just watch out the space for that tutorial. So let's begin with this and make a wall hanging off for the photo frames. All right, so for this you are going to need a piece of whatever paper you have. I am using a pattern paper, but if you want to make it plain and later decorate it, you can use a piece of simple cardstock as well. But for my preference, for all the photo frame hangings that I've already previously made, even on commission basis, I have used pattern paper, and that makes it easy for you to decorate it. Okay, so this measures 12 inches by this is 4 3/4. Okay, so for this, what you're going to do is, on the 4 3/4 inch side, you are going to score this at 3/8 of an inch first of all, and then you are going to score it at 4 3/8 of an inch. All right, and then rotate it, and on the 12-inch side you are going to score it at 6 inches. All right, so that's all the creasing that you need to do. Now just fold this pattern paper on the creases that you have already made. It's very easy. It makes great gifts for kids, for your friends, and you can gift them on birthdays. They make a very pretty end of year teacher's gift as well. You can just put a photo of your kid with their teacher, and just hand it out to the teacher. They'll cherish it forever. So for the window that I have created here, I have already cut a piece of 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and whichever side you wish to make the front now, that's entirely up to you. You are going to just place it in the middle. Okay, make sure you place it in the middle so that the sides are equal on all 4 sides. Okay, like this. The margins need to be equal, otherwise they won't look good. Take a pencil and just lightly draw around this template like so. We can always erase these lines later. Okay, now with the help of your ruler and your cutting knife, you are just going to make sure you align your ruler really straight, and you're going to cut on the lines that you have drawn. All right, okay. So once I have cut this window out, I just went ahead and made the edges neat. Now I'm going to erase all the pencil marks so that they are not visible on the front side. Just get rid of the rubbish. Okay, So I'm going to cut off the edges now. On this side, just flip it over, and on this side just take a wedge off of both the sides. All right, and on this side you're going to again wedge off and take off this entire section. All right, okay, so now take your glue, just fold in these sides and put some glue on both of these tabs. And now you're going to take this, I find it easier this way. You're going to take this and you're going to align it with the base part, and make sure that as you push it down you do not leave any gaps, so that it doesn't give you an open pocket at the top all the time. Just press it down well. So you see, this is very basic and very easy way to create a pocket for your photos. And if you get a slight overhang at the top, like just as I did, you can always trim it off, because it's not going to make any difference at the end. All right, so these are your pockets created, and if you want to increase the number of these pockets, you may do so. If you want to make only one and make it in the form of a hanging, you can always do that anytime. All right, so I am not going to decorate it right now, because I haven't decided that for which occasion I'm going to gift it to somebody. So once I have the agenda in mind, I'm going to just decorate it. For now, I'm going to show you how you can put it on a ribbon and convert it into a wall hanging. So this is the length of the ribbon. Again, it's going to be the requirement of your number of frames that you have made. So I have made 2 frames only, so I think I'm going to use around 23 inches would be enough, I guess. Let me just put them here like this. Yes, I'm going to use around 24 or 25 inches. Okay, so that's the length of the ribbon that I'm using. Now flip these over and make sure the opening of the pocket is on the left hand side. Okay, take your glue and just run it in the middle of your frame, and when you are just putting your ribbon, leave about an inch or 2 on your right hand side. Okay, just tap it with your finger, just move it here, and we're going to do the same with the other pocket that we have made. So I'm going to run glue in the middle of it, and now I need to make sure that both of them align with each other. They are in the straight line, and it's up to you, but I prefer just leaving a 1 or 1 1/4 inch gap between both the frames. All right, so now flip it over very gently until and unless the glue dries, just like this, and trim off the excess. All right, and to complete the look, I am going to add I had some wooden embellishments with me, or I have these burlap bows. and I can add one of these at the top like so. If you look here, I'm going to add this at the top here, and at the bottom I'm also going to add a wooden embellishment. Okay, I'm going to give time for it to dry. So what I have done is, for my priority, I have added double-sided foam tape at the back of these frames to adhere them to the wall. If you wish, you want to just hang it on a nail, so it depends entirely upon you. So this was the project for today. I hope you have liked it and would give it a try. And as I've told you, these make beautiful gifts. So see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.